In the quiet beauty of nature, some of most magical moments can be found on delicate wings. Butterflies may be small, but their colors and graceful movements can make an entire garden come alive. With every gentle movement, their wings reveal beautiful patterns and shades of color. Some shine with brilliant blue, while others display warm orange, soft yellow, deep red, or a mixture of many different colors. Flowers are an important part of their world. As butterflies move from one blossom to another, they search for sweet nectar while adding even more beauty to the scene. Sometimes they remain perfectly still, resting on flowers and allowing us to admire the teeny detail of their wings. Then, in an instant, they open their wings and gently take flight. Watching a butterfly fly through a garden is a reminder that nature doesn't need to be loud to be beautiful. Their delicate movement, peaceful surroundings, and colorful wings create a moment that feels most dreamlike. No two butterflies seem exactly alike. Each one carries its own combination of colors, patterns, and beauty. Some are bright and bold, while others have softer and more delicate shades. Together with colorful flowers and fresh greenery, these beautiful creatures create a natural painting that's constantly changing with every moment. From a quiet movement on a flower to graceful flight through the air, butterfly shows us the incredible beauty hidden in the smallest part of nature. Sometimes all we need to do is slow down, look closely, and appreciate it.